I'm Kyara. I love to travel. I'm studying architecture. I have a brand, and I just moved to Paris to study abroad for the semester. Before starting architecture school here, I spent 2 weeks visiting Paris with a very special person. My dad. This video is filled with special moments that are now great memories, and some of my favorite places that you need to visit. I just want to remind you that social media shows the best moments, and it is totally curated. So enjoy real life and cherish the moments you have with your loved ones. We never know what tomorrow will bring. I'm so fortunate to be where I am and couldn't be here without my supportive family. But without further ado, let's get started. I hope you enjoy my first video in Paris. Ou j'espère que vous aimerez ma première vidéo à Paris. One more thing before we get started. Happy birthday to the biggest crepe lover, my social media manager, the one who makes me laugh the most, and to the best dad in the world. I love you. Be it visiting and spending the day in museums, seeing the Eiffel Tower, experiencing Paris Fashion Week together, admiring some of my favorite artwork, especially these water lilies, going to fashion exhibits, or taking a boat tour along the Seine. And, of course, always getting coffee and pastries. You are always good company, and I could write a book about all our inside jokes and memories. Visiting Musée d'Orsay was super special because before flying to France, my grandfather had showed me some of his favorite parts of his Paris trip, Musée d'Orsay being at the top of the list. And I can honestly say that it is now one of my favorite museums to visit. Even though I don't like fruit, walking through the markets and seeing all the fresh local produce and products were super wholesome, and we always had a lovely time. Moments like these make me smile, even though you had just broke my boot moments before. Spending our days doing touristy things were really fun. And if you know my dad and I, you know we cannot stay still. We walked about 20,000 steps a day and saw how small Mona Lisa was. The painting itself is beautiful, but very underwhelming. I don't know many dads who would agree to spend their day at a fashion exhibit. We saw Galerie Dior, YSL Gold Exhibit, and Louis Vuitton Dream. One of the coolest things I saw was the process of making a Dior lady bag. We then went to Kith, and then back to Louis Vuitton, and saw Angelina Jolie, then had brunch at Le Fleur. Hôtel de la Marine was one of my favorite places to visit. It was designed and built between 1757 and 1774 by the architect Henri-Jacques Gabriel, showcasing apartments from the 18th century. I remember our first night like it was yesterday. We went and had dinner at Le Comet and then went to this bar near the hotel. It was one of the most memorable nights of our trip, and we stayed at Hotel Horatio. I moved into my apartment on January 25th, and my dad stayed with me for a couple days before leaving back home to Montreal. I couldn't be happier with the new place that I call home, and I have to give full credits to my amazing mom who found it. I thought 2 weeks might be too long with my dad, but I was wrong, and actually enjoyed every moment with him, especially the many times we went to this restaurant. You can't miss Montmartre. The views are impeccable. It's super peaceful, quaint, and just a lovely time. Also, there's a vintage photo booth that you have to go to. If you love sculptures, then you have to visit Musée Rodin. I also love seeing all the book stands along the Seine. It was really cool and inspiring to see a Montreal brand in Paris during Fashion Week. And this was our bittersweet last night together. Take a moment to listen to the following words. This is a reminder to be grateful for what you have and to not wish for someone else's life. Stop overthinking the small stuff and learn to enjoy the moment. Live in the now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and like, comment, subscribe for more. Je t'aime et à bientôt.